Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with Jelly. So, today we're on lesson 5 of module 1. That's all in getting you started with the proper tools that you're going to need in order to go through the next modules. So, one tool that we're going to be utilizing is Git and GitHub. So, all of the coding notebooks that you see in future modules are going to be on GitHub, and it's your responsibility to be able to bring them down on your computer so you can practice your data exploration, your visualization skills, your statistical tests, your models, and more. So, our agenda for today is we're going to discuss what version control is. Then, we're going to hop right into what Git is, and the difference between Git and GitHub is going to drive us home. So, what exactly is version control? So, version control is our ability to track changes that we make on files or within projects. So, it's no need to save multiple copies of the same file. We're able to always just bring in the most recent version of the file. And if we have to go back, we can go back to earlier versions. So, in this image here, you see that there are up to 20 versions of a contract, and someone has saved this on their computer 20 times. But with version control, it'll always pull version 20. That will be the one that's stored. And if you had to go back to previous versions, you will be able to do so. So, no need to keep copying and duplicating a file within your file folder or your file explorer. So we're able to do this with Git. It's a software that you are able to download on your local computer. No internet is needed. So any folder that you have on your local computer, you can turn into what we call a Git repository, and it will track all the changes to all the files within that folder. It can work independent of GitHub, and it also allows a branching model. So if you're working on sprint 1 of a project, sprint 2, or sprint 3, you're able to create different branches and do work specific to those branches or those tasks inside of Git. So it sounds a lot more complicated than what it really is. I have a whole playlist about this on Learning with Jelly, but all that you need to know is that Git is going to track changes to your files. If you ever have to go back to a previous version of a file, it will do that for you. Git is local. It is not on the internet. So it works independent of GitHub, and any folder you have on your computer can be turned into a Git repository. So how does it relate to GitHub? You can't have GitHub without Git. GitHub is dependent on Git, and it's on the internet, and it allows you to collaborate with others. So it allows me to share my notebooks with you all so you can follow along with the modules. If you're working on a company project, it's going to allow you to all collaborate with each other, see each other's code, approve changes to code, things of that nature. GitHub is remote. It's on the internet, and it also houses open source projects, and you're able to share your repos with anyone. So it's like a social networking for software engineers, developers, data science, and other tech professionals. So what is the main difference here? So Git and GitHub, the main difference is Git is on your local computer. It can be used without GitHub. Git is great when you have independent projects that you just want to keep on your own computer. GitHub, on the other hand, can't be used without Git, and it's on the internet. So if you have a project that you want to collaborate with others or you want to share your work with others, GitHub is the way to go. So that is your brief introduction to Git and GitHub. In the next lessons, we're going to talk about how you can access those coding notebooks that I have shared with you on GitHub, and how you can get more acquainted with using Git commands so that you too are able to start your own projects and create a dynamic project portfolio for yourself and future employers. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Learning with Jelly. Bye-bye.